Ayun, we've got a package that arrived. So, from Amazon. So, yun ang kagandahan dito, no? Kahit iiwan lang yung package dito sa harap ng bahay. Although, sometimes hindi rin safe. Pero most of the time naman, hindi nawawala. I just had one experience na nawala yung delivery. But 95% naman is safe. So, iniiwan lang normally yung mga delivery packages in front of the front door and most of the time safe naman. But not all of the times. So, dahil mahilig tayo sa mga likot, kumuha tayo ng precision screwdriver sa Amazon. So, ito yung cheapest lang na sa tingin ko value for money. So, this is about, I think, $40. Pero ito na yung cheapest kasi gusto ko sana yung iFixit na mas maganda yung value. Pero we preferred yung cheaper ones. Tingnan natin kung kumusta naman yung quality. Yeah, so unbox natin. So maganda naman yung reviews nung tiningnan natin. So hopefully okay siya. So in fairness, maganda yung packaging. So I forgot kung anong brand nito. But this is the screwdriver bits model. So, complete siya supposedly. Hex, Phillips, Torx, etc. So, may mga seam ejector din. And then, tingnan lang natin. So, 164, supposedly 164 tools in one siya. So, ito pala. I'm not sure kung how do you pronounce this. Jacme. Ewan ko. So, open natin. Yan. So, meron kasi akong need i-disassemble na MacBook, yung old MacBook. Kaya lang, apparently, hindi siya yung typical na screwdriver. So, kailangan ko ng, I think, yung Torx. So, wala pala ako dito nun. So, yan. Kaya kumuha tayo nitong all-in-one. So, ang problem lang sa mga cheaper ones is madali siyang how do you, describe it. So, minsan hindi quality yung screwdriver. So, pero tingnan natin. Gusto ko sana yung iFixit, kaya lang medyo mahal siya. Kaya ito na lang. So, ganda yung packaging in fairness. Ayan, so it's open. So, okay yung packaging niya. Merong pang styro. So, 164 in one. So, yeah, 164 pieces. So, feels cheap yung handle. Pero anyway, hopefully okay naman yung mga bits. So, yan. That's it, guys. So, ito lang yung quick natin. Kumuha tayo ng precision screwdriver set. Ayan, that's it. Ayan, guys. Dito tayo sa Araluwen. So, nag-quick date muna kami ni My Loves. Yung mga chikiting namin ayaw sumama. May mga sariling mundo na. So, yan. Kaya kami muna. So, maximize lang namin yung weekend habang yan, walang work. So, Botanical Garden dito sa Araluwen. Just near our place. So, yan. Nothing special. Pero, yan. Kung sa mga mahilig ng scenery, mga botanical, maganda dito. So parang ano, connecting with nature. And syempre, kasama natin si My Loves. Maganda dito pag end ng August to September, may mga tulips daw. Kaya lang apparently ngayon wala pang tulips. It's a botanic garden. $15 per person ang entrance. And yun, malapit lang dito sa amin. Parang Baguio yung feel dito. So tamang-tama yan kasi matagal na tayo hindi nakakapunta sa Baguio. So dito na lang sa Araluen. Parang Baguio rin lang naman. And magandang mag-ikot-ikot dito. 3 p.m. Right now 23 degrees Celsius. So yun nga, Baguio feels talaga. Hindi ka papawisan. May sikat ng araw pero di masyadong mainit. So ilang bang to? Gaano kalawak? Ilang hectares? May info ba? Okay, so hindi ko lang alam. Pero actually third time or fourth time ko na dito pero hindi ko pa rin kabisado kung gaano kalawak to. Pero for sure nandito siya sa map na to. Kaya lang hindi naman tayo nagbabasa ng map. A good place for family bonding. Yung iba nagpipiknik-piknik lang sa grass. And yun. So that's enough for them to bond together as a family. Yung mga anak lang natin, yung anak namin ayaw sumama. May kanya-kanya ng hilig kaya hindi nila trip sumama today. Kaya kami na lang ni My Loves ang pumunta. So good exercise na rin, no, na walking. So walk sa sa nature. So habang namamasyal tayo dito sa Araluen, so quick kwentuhan muna tayo, no? So I think this week na ang tapos na yung Olympics, no? So wow, what a feat for the Philippines. So nagkaroon tayo ng 2 golds. Amazing. So it's back to back from 2020 Tokyo Olympics to Paris Olympics. Nahigitan pa natin yung gold natin last time. So previously it was Heidi Lindias for weightlifting, and what a feat for this time sa Paris Olympics. So alam naman natin na si Carlos Yulo bagged the gold sa gymnastics not just one but two. Wow. And then I think we also got a bronze from boxing. So yun, wow. And nakakalula, no, yung price, yung monetary reward kay Carlos. So if I'm not mistaken, around 108 million pesos in total. So wow, amazing. So it was just unfortunate nga lang na alam naman natin na there was some feud, pero yun, hopefully maayos nila, no, yung personal feud nila with Carlos and his parent, his mom. So but yan, overall hopefully it would serve as a as an inspiration sa mga aspiring athletes natin. So so that only shows, no, basta mag-persevere lang tayo, yung mga kabataang athlete natin, they can achieve it. So kudos, no, kay Carlos Yulo. This place opens at 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. So tama-tama lang. So dumating kami mga 2:30. But yeah, that's enough. 1 hour and a half walk. Maybe next time pag sumama yung mga anak namin. So hopefully makapag picnic style kami dito. We'll bring food, but this time, so we intended na at least just to spend 1 hour and a half. I think these flowers are tulips, so maybe a month pa bago to tumubo. So by next month probably full grown na itong mga tulips na to. Yan, no? Maliliit pa siya. Maliliit na halaman na to. I think ito tulips pa rin to. So it would take probably at least 30 days and then mamumulaklak siya. Yan. So pag bumalik kami dito in 9 months time, yan, maganda yan kasi puro tulips na. So after winter, it's springtime, saka sila tumutubo, itong mga tulips na to. Ay, magandang bumalik dito during springtime. Makakita ka talaga ng mga flowers, so doon nagbo-bloom yung mga flowers, especially mga tulips. Napagod sa kakalakad. So sayang, no, hindi pa namin inabutan yung tulips. So apparently umusbong pa lang siya. So spring talaga nag-bloom yung yung tulips flowers. So 59 hectares in total pala yung native forest itong Araluen Botanic Park. So out of the 59 hectares, 14 hectares yung developed gardens. So yun yung pinapasyalan, pero napakalawak pala nito, no? Imagine 59 hectares. So swerte naman nung I think if I'm not mistaken, this is privately owned. So galing. And sinubukan namin dito ni My Loves sa Costco. So, yeah, for a change, dito naman kami mag-grocery sa Costco. Laki nito, parang Landers sa Philippines. Mga wholesale. So, kung kailangan nyo ng wholesale products, yan, nandito lahat. Mas makakamura ka kung wholesale ang bibilhin mo. Ito, mga whey proteins. So, first time lang namin dito ni My Lab. So, di ko pa alam kung mura siya talaga. Pero I guess since wholesale, ano nga siya, wholesale. So, I would assume na mas mura nga. So, let's see. Kasi first time pa lang namin dito. Nga natin tong Republica Timor Velvety coffee beans, medium dark. So, $10 lang siya. Ayan, pauwi na kami. So, I'm not sure kung nakatipid nga talaga kami. Ang tendency kasi dito sa pag-wholesale is mapapabili ka ng wholesale na minsan hindi mo naman kailangan. So, nakakatipid ka but there's a tendency na mabili mo yung hindi mo naman talaga kailangan. So, napapamahal ka minsan. But let's see. Siguro once in a while, okay dito. And especially kung siguro big family talaga, magbe-benefit sa mga wholesale like dito sa Costco. Yan, so pauwi na kami. We're done sa Costco. So, napamura ba tayo or the other way around? So mukhang mas napamahal kami pero okay lang yon. So for experience at least nalaman namin na for wholesale items so mapapamura ka talaga dito. So again, yun nga lang as I mentioned earlier, so since wholesale kasi siya, may possibility na mapabili ka ng mga hindi mo naman needs. But anyway, there are some items na nakuha namin na talagang relatively cheap. So, yun muna.